Chia seeds are small, nutrient-rich seeds that come from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is a member of the mint family. These seeds are native to Mexico and Guatemala and have been consumed for centuries by various indigenous cultures for their nutritional and medicinal benefits. Before we continue, please note that all the information presented in this video has been verified, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Chia seeds are known for their high content of beneficial nutrients, including dietary fiber, protein, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. When mixed with liquids, chia seeds can absorb a significant amount of liquid and form a gel-like consistency. This property makes them useful for creating puddings, smoothies, and other recipes. Due to their nutritional profile, chia seeds are often considered a superfood and have gained popularity as a health food. Here are the top 10 benefits of chia seeds. Number 1. Digestive health. Chia seeds are beneficial for aiding in digestion due to their high fiber content and unique gel-forming properties. Chia seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance when it absorbs water, while insoluble fiber does not dissolve and adds bulk to stool. Both types of fiber play a role in promoting healthy digestion. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and forms a gel in your digestive tract. This can soften stool and promote regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and maintaining gut health. Chia seeds contain probiotic fibers that serve as nourishment for beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for optimal digestion and overall well-being. The soluble fiber in chia seeds can help maintain a balanced gut environment by supporting the growth of beneficial bacteria and inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria. Number 2. Heart health. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 seconds have been associated with various cardiovascular benefits, including reducing inflammation, improving blood vessel function, and helping to lower blood pressure. Omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds can help lower levels of inflammation in the body. Chronic inflammation is a contributing factor to many heart diseases. Chia seeds' soluble fiber can help lower LDL cholesterol levels by binding to cholesterol molecules and aiding their excretion from the body. This can contribute to a reduced risk of atherosclerosis and heart disease. The combination of omega-3 fatty acids, potassium, magnesium, and fiber in chia seeds may help regulate blood pressure, promoting healthier cardiovascular function. Chia seeds contain antioxidants, such as quercetin, caffeic acid, and chlorogenic acid, which can help protect cells from oxidative stress and potentially reduce the risk of heart disease. Incorporating chia seeds into a heart-healthy diet, along with other nutrient-rich foods, can contribute to improved cardiovascular health. Number 3. Bone health. Chia seeds are a good source of calcium, a mineral crucial for building and maintaining strong bones. Calcium is the primary structural component of bones and plays a vital role in bone density and strength. Chia seeds also contain phosphorus, another mineral that contributes to bone health. Phosphorus works in combination with calcium to support bone structure and strength. Chia seeds are rich in magnesium, a mineral that plays a role in bone mineralization. Magnesium works alongside calcium and vitamin D to support bone density and prevent bone loss. Chia seeds contain small amounts of vitamin K, a nutrient important for bone health. Vitamin K is involved in the regulation of calcium and helps bind calcium to bones, improving bone strength. Chia seeds have alkaline properties, which means they can help balance the body's pH level. This may have a positive impact on bone health by reducing the leaching of calcium from bones to maintain proper pH balance. The combination of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, protein, and other nutrients in chia seeds creates a synergistic effect that supports optimal bone health. Incorporating chia seeds into a balanced diet, along with other calcium-rich foods, can contribute to maintaining strong and healthy bones. Liking our content so far? Before we moved on to the next benefit, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel, so you never missed out on new informative videos. Number 4. Blood sugar control. Chia seeds can be beneficial for blood sugar control due to their unique nutritional composition and how they interact with the digestive process. Chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber forms a gel-like substance when it comes into contact with water, which slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This can help prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels after eating. The gel-like substance formed by soluble fiber in chia seeds creates a barrier around carbohydrates during digestion. This barrier slows down the breakdown of carbohydrates into glucose, leading to a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. As a result, there's less of a sudden surge in blood sugar levels. The gradual release of glucose from carbohydrates in the digestive process can lead to more stable and sustained energy levels throughout the day. This can help prevent the energy crashes often associated with rapid blood sugar spikes and subsequent drops. While chia seeds can play a role in blood sugar control, overall dietary habits and lifestyle choices also significantly impact blood sugar regulation. If you have specific health concerns or conditions related to blood sugar, it's advisable to consult a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized advice on incorporating chia seeds into your diet. Number 5. Hydration support. Chia seeds have a unique ability to absorb many times their weight in water and form a gel-like substance. When consumed, they can help retain moisture and provide a slow release of fluids in the body. This property can be particularly useful for maintaining hydration during physical activities or hot weather. The gel-like consistency of chia seeds can also help prolong the feeling of fullness, aiding in both hydration and appetite control. Number 6. Weight management. Chia seeds can be beneficial for weight management due to their unique combination of nutrients. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps you feel full and satisfied, which can reduce overeating and aid in controlling portion sizes. When mixed with liquid, chia seeds expand and form a gel-like substance in the stomach, further contributing to a sense of fullness. Additionally, the protein content in chia seeds can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and excessive snacking. By promoting satiety and providing sustained energy, chia seeds can be a useful addition to a weight management plan. Number 7. Nutrient-rich. Chia seeds are densely packed with various nutrients that contribute to a balanced diet. They are a good source of dietary fiber, providing both soluble and insoluble fiber that supports digestive health and regularity. Chia seeds are also rich in plant-based protein, offering an option for those looking to increase their protein intake without relying solely on animal sources. Additionally, they contain omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health and inflammation reduction. Chia seeds are also a source of essential vitamins and minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, all of which play crucial roles in maintaining overall health. Number 8. Antioxidant properties. Chia seeds contain antioxidants, which are compounds that help protect cells from damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Chia seeds contain various antioxidants, including flavonoids, quercetin, and chlorogenic acid. These compounds have the potential to combat oxidative damage, contribute to overall health, and lower the risk of chronic diseases. Number 9. Protein source. Chia seeds are an excellent plant-based source of protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in the body, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining overall health. Chia seeds contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. They can be particularly beneficial for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets, as they provide a convenient way to meet their protein needs without relying on animal products. Number 10. Gluten-free option. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free, which means they can be included in diets for individuals who need to avoid gluten due to celiac disease or gluten sensitivity. This makes chia seeds a versatile ingredient for baking, cooking, and adding to various dishes as a thickening agent or nutritional boost. As a gluten-free option, chia seeds offer an alternative source of nutrients and dietary fiber for those with specific dietary restrictions. Thank you for watching our video on the 10 incredible benefits of chia seeds. From supporting digestive health and weight management to promoting heart health and bone strength, chia seeds are a versatile addition to any diet. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and nutrition content. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.